Hey guys, I was just wondering about the title of this video. How to get free courses from Edx or how to get verified certificates from Edx? Big mistake. But in reality, at recent time, I'm just wondering about us in this quarantine, where everyone is just searching how to kill time at home and how to do something new, something which can make our lives better at the same time. I was like, what would I do if I'm a student? What would I do if I'm an employee? The answer was, if we're a student, director, entrepreneur, doctor, professor, we always need knowledge. So, in today's video, I want to share with you my experience from Edx, how I got financially to one of the best courses from Harvard. Before everything, let me tell you that you can really study for free. Get free online courses from Harvard, MIT, Boston, Stanford, University of Chicago, Microsoft, Amazon, University of Toronto, and a lot of the highest, the biggest, the best universities in the world. You know, those universities that every one of us like. You can do this in a platform called Edx. Obviously, getting online courses is just to acquire knowledge, but if your intention is to apply for a new job or making your resume perfect to apply for your bachelor, master, or PhD abroad, it would be better to get verified certificates from Edx. Free courses, verified certificates, financial assistance, a lot of words that bothered me a lot at the moment of my life. As you know, we always find a lot of articles and videos, study from home and get free certificates from Harvard. The moment when we just say, for real, free certificates and Harvard in the same sentence, we just skip the ad. Is it real? The answer is yeah. We can enroll and start learning for free from Harvard and a lot of biggest universities in the world. But to get the verified certificate, we need to pay. Fortunately, we can apply for financial assistance and get up to 90% discount. So, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to enroll, apply for financial assistance, and get verified certificates from Edx. Guys, if this topic is interesting for you, please continue watching this video up to the end. If not, please continue watching this video up to the end, because I'm sure that it will be helpful for you, and maybe you will apply for a new course, that new job, which hopefully can change your life. So positive. Welcome back to Smerium Abroad, the channel where you can see different videos on how to study abroad, to get free online certificates, to travel for free and learn new languages. First of all, what is Edx? Edx is the trusted online platform for education and learning, founded by Harvard and MIT. It's home to more than 20 million learners, the majority of top-ranked universities in the world and industry-leading companies. Edx provides high-quality education to everyone, everywhere. It supports learners at every stage. It lets people to learn on their own terms. By the way, studying online is so beneficial for anyone. First of all, the flexible scheduling environment. You're free to study at any time you want. So, in my opinion, choose the time where you are more productive to focus on your studies. However, it's important to be consistent and not just studying when you're free. On the other hand, you're also free to study where you want. Maybe you are more enthusiastic in a study room or your bedroom or a cafe across your house, at your school. Also, you have not to go to a specific place to study, which means you don't have to spend any time taking buses or trains. Secondly, You don't have to stop your work if you're an employee or your studies in different schools and universities to fulfill your online courses. You just have to manage your time. The third point, and it's my favorite, self-discipline and responsibility. Studying online requires more self-discipline and time management skills. There's no one who can oblige you to revise your lessons or never miss a course or do your exercises. You will learn how to make your schedule. You will discover how many hours you can work per day, at any hours you're tired or more productive, how to be responsible of your own self, and a lot of important things for your life and career. Go to your browser and write edx.org. The link will be in the description box. Edx offers courses on different subjects, but also programs and degrees. But in this video, we're gonna just talk about the online courses. And those are the different schools and partners. First thing to do, sign in. You can search for a course by two different ways. You can choose your subject and search for it on different universities. For example, if you want a course on computer science, you choose it right here, and you will see all courses on computer science provided by different universities. The second way is if you already prefer one of the universities, Harvard for example, you choose Harvard and then you will find all courses provided by Harvard and also choose the best for you. The question is, because honestly the first time I opened Edx I was surprised, and I remember that it took maybe a week to choose the best course for me. So what is the best course? In my opinion, it always on relation with your purpose in life, your target goal. Try to put your goal and draw the way to reach it. So here for example, choose the course that can help you more to achieve it, something which can help you right now. Maybe you would like to be an artificial intelligence engineer, so choose the course that can help you to get more knowledge on artificial intelligence, machine learning, robots. But if I'm a doctor, I would not take courses on photography unless I need it in my work, because courses on Edx will take you time. If you see that you have time for additional things, maybe things that you always wanted to try, then do them. If not, focus on your work. So only you can decide. When you choose your course, read all details. Time that you will need to finish it, your instructors, and all about it. As you see here, the course is completely free, but the verified certificate is for $90. After enrolling into the course chosen, to get financial aid, you need to apply for financial assistance. The link will be in the description box. You will find here all the courses in which you have enrolled. That's why you need to enroll first. So select the course for which you would like to obtain a verified certificate. Then select your annual household income. Just after that, you will have to write 3 paragraphs. The first one is about why do you need assistance. Here, tell them about your financial situation. For example, if you're a student, tell them that your parents already pay your studies and they cannot pay for online courses. If you're an employee and you're not well paid, then tell them about your expenses and why you don't really can pay for other things. The second one is about your goals. How can a certificate in this course allow you to achieve those goals? Here, you can tell them about your life goals, professional goals, what are your plans in life. Maybe you have to consume more knowledge to start your business, or to be ready to enroll for the best universities in the world, or to apply for a job somewhere. Tell them the main reason to apply for this course. Just be current in your answers and convince them. The last one is about steps that you will take to complete the course and receive a certificate. Here, let them see that you're ready to do everything to complete the course and get the certificate. If you plan to study 2 hours per day, then tell them that you will study 2 hours per day. Tell them also your plans to finish the last project on time if there is one in your course. Make them feel your determination and motivation. Take your time and choose your words. After finishing everything, submit your application. You will receive the answer that hopefully will be positive by mail. And finally, you will just have to go to your dashboard and capicate here the coupon that you have received by mail. It's like a code confirming that you have received a discount. The coupon will be sent in the email that I showed right now. So, if you haven't any possibilities to pay online, we can do it for you. Let me know in comment if there is any problem when you enroll at any step, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me and I will be more than happy to answer you. So, always positive, confident, happy. Happiness is everywhere. I really hope that you will do everything to achieve your goals. See you next time.